Before AIM, I was actually already in the airline industry. I started my career with Piedmont Airlines, doing baggage handling, catering, pretty much moved all around within this American Airlines company. When I was working as a ramp agent, I would look at the mechanics and I'd say, I could do that. So that's really what motivated me to attend the school. My experience with AIM was pretty good. Probably my best experience was, when we started up the turbine engines outside. Right after I finished my oral and practicals, I was like, I knew I was gonna get the job. And I felt accomplished, for sure, make your parents proud. I think my favorite part about this job is just being part of this company. I'll work 16 hours, so I'll come in 6:30 in the morning and I'll get off like around 11 p.m. I do this so that I can have more flexibility with the family, which is what working for American really helps you with. You get to have more time off. As an avionics technician, we mainly deal with instrument systems, which is like the instrument landing system, communication radio to ATC. If the radio fails, we'll have to troubleshoot and either replace the computer to make sure the radio is working right, or the GPS, mainly electrical within the cabin. My life really changed because it allowed me to work as an aviation maintenance technician. I feel proud knowing that the aircraft's going to arrive safely thanks to our due diligence and able to troubleshoot everything correctly. With the way the world's going now, we're going to need a lot more AMPs, and they can go to AIM for sure.